Kamano kuom bet kodwa kanyakla kawuono tichedi
4th of July.
Kawuono 4th of July. Jok ma join wa from the Americas. Happy Independence Day. Jogo ma wan godo Kenya. Kamano. Today we want to sing. Wadwa wero wendni. Wendni iluongo ni ang'ocha. Yesu Krosto En Osiepwa. But first we want to see whether we are live. If you're joining us from wherever you're joining from, karibu sana. And we just want to confirm that we're live. And then I have my singing crew here. You know how you will ng'eny thoroughly. I can see that I still have zero I still have zero how you call them? Yes, it is live now. So what we are going to do is we are going to sing this song, and we encourage that if you want to, you can join us as we sing. Even it's coming as we sing. Oh, there, it's good. All right, so to answer now, if you're joining us from YouTube, if you're joining us in Facebook, please, you're welcome to leave your comments on the comment section. We shall be reading I think they should be able to stream live. You'll be able to see your comments down below. And we shall sing in a moment. Chorister.
Yesu Krosto En Osiepwa.
Hey. Adi?
Yesu Krosto En Osiepwa.
That's it. Yesu Krosto En Osiepwa. Go. Yesu Krosto En Osiepwa. En mogolo richowa. Wan wanyalo kwae pile gima ber machando ka. To nikech waweyo saye ok walame pile ka. Kwe onge ei chunywa eka wan wachandore. Ka Satani dwaro temwa, ka masira makowa, chunywa kik oa kuom Yesu, ber kwanyiso Yesu wach. Ere ng'ato madikonywa kuom masira manie piny. Yesu emong'eyo nyawa, ber kwanyiso Yesu wach. Wan wanyapo jonjo pile, richowa ohingowa. Lwanjawa en Yesu Kristo, ber kwanyiso Yesu wach. Ka osiepe wake kodwa, ber kwanyiso Yesu wach. En orwakwa, en okonywa, en omiwa chuny mamor.
Hey, yani undiscorded maonge. Kawuono wan discorded thoroughly. Niki hauna nini? Unaleta Discord.
Sorry.
Donge Niki kelo Discord jowadu.
Horrible.
Discord. Ile moja ilikuwa ngani?
Huh?
There was one more.
Forgot how it went. That's all I know. Yeah. Dad.
Galili apaka subinyeka
Why? What's right? Yesu. Mickey, don't let this song. Don't change your voice.
Okay.
Usi change voice when we are singing.
Okay.
So, just
Where is it?
nieke hapo.
Yesu onindo ejasi kokadho nam Galili. Ahitimo donko okudho piny Okay, we're just changing the song. Moronod Nikia spoiled thoroughly. So we're changing the song. Olagi pino obet guru bedu bedu olagi pino no guru modo ukwe Yesu no 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 no. Hello, if you're joining us today, welcome to the channel. Today we're just singing a few songs, and then if you have questions, you can post them and we shall be able to just take care of them. Now we are going to sing Yesu onindo ejasi. What do you wear? Yesu onindo ejasi? Jasi enang? Jasi eniye?
Ship. Jesus is ship.
What? You see the song, the part when Jesus was sleeping on our river, on a goat. Don't you? I'm just transferring the songs to the screen, Joe. Ukipuka ni again. Penye ni mai koro nama engine ni ariyo. Ta 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 ta. Opak Ruoth Daniel Oluoch, erokamano. Inare wacho nang'o? Ondiko dholuo ling'a ling'a. Wadwa keto dholuo kaendi, en mani pod alose. Wadwa wer, sani wawero ginene. Wawero wende dholuo. Ka ng'ato kowero off tune tinyisowa. Nikech nitie jomoko ka ma usowa. Nitie jomoko ma usowa kae. Koro wadwa wero Yesu onindo ejasi. Mano is wer number Grade number 233 in Adventist hymnals. Wabo chako wero nyaka mag ginene. Wabo chako wero nyaka mag longo nang. Hymnal book. Yes, one in the Jasi. Nikki, you can see there.
Yes.
Aye, what do you?
Yesu onindo ejasi. Go. Yesu onindo ejasi kokadho nam Galili. Ahiti maduong' to okudho pi nam gingore malich. Jopuonjre chiewe gi luoro, Ruoth okidew kwatho. Eka Yesu nokwero apaka, ochiko yembe gi ling'.
Paka.
To yembe ga paka winjo wach Ruoth, kweuru, kweuru. Kata apaka mar nam lolwe makelo kibaji gi ngoro ni ji, to onge gimoro manyalo nimo yieno kama Ruoth polo nindoe. Gik moko duto nowinj chikne, kweuru, kweuru. Gik moko duto nowinj chikne, mondo ukwe. Yesu achandora tinde, apaka ni e chunya. Temruok to obiro kayamo, ayengi ni Ruoth konya. Kethruok awinjo kohewa, chunya odhier chutho. To Ruoth Yesu biro sai, bisira gi tekoni. To yembe ga paka winjo wach Ruoth, kweuru, kweuru. Kata apaka mar nam lolwe makelo kibaji gi ngoro ni ji, to onge gimoro manyalo nimo yieno kama Ruoth polo nindoe. Gik moko duto nowinj chikne, kweuru, kweuru. Gik moko duto nowinj chikne, mondo ukwe.
The last stanza.
Ruodha chunya koro kwe, mos chandruok osekadhona. Kwe mari koro ni chunya, kuom teko mar wach ni Ruoth. Bed koda pile jawana, kik weya kendanga. Eka danyal chopo kama ber cha, abed kodi nyaka chieng'. To yembe ga paka winjo wach Ruoth, kweuru. Kata apaka mar nam lolwe makelo kibaji gi ngoro ni ji, to onge gimoro manyalo nimo yieno kama Ruoth polo nindoe. Gik moko duto nowinj chikne, kweuru. Gik moko duto nowinj chikne, mondo ukwe. Nikki.
Niki umetuuza tena. Niki ochako ouso wa. But anyway, the intention of this session is just to teach how to sing and speak, read, speak, sing Luo, you know, and you cannot do that without examples. So the example we're giving is on singing, and that's why we are doing a lot of singing and a lot of reading, things that can make us see the Luo language in action. That's why we're doing this. So if you feel that this is good, please let us know. If you feel this is not going to give us any ideas, also let us know. We really appreciate those of you now giving us ideas on the Luo English Dictionary channel. We have so many ideas on the waiting, and I think we're just having it's just a busy time of the month, so that's why you don't see us posting so often, but we shall be posting often, and I hope that you love the posts. Koro kawuono wadwaro mana question and answer session. We shall just have a question and answer session, and then after that we shall close. Onge gimotemo kendo. Rafael Kingara iwacho ni ero ahinya, erokamano ahinya. Alan Macau, thank you so very much. In Facebook. Jok manie Facebook, Martha Mbagaya, erokamano, asante. And you can ask your questions, you can post your questions. Once you post your questions, I'll be able to see them, and then we can respond to them. Rajab, asante for following. And who is that? Peter Ochieng, erokamano. And Odira Omondi, erokamano for following. And Joe Nobo, erokamano for following. Thank you so very much. Frank Tiago, asante. You can ask your questions. Inyalo penjo magigo ma in godo. And then we shall be looking at them together. I'm just pulling up my 5 words a day. I know we've done, last week we did 51, not 51, but 30 to 40. So today we do 40 to 50. In a moment. Oh, now I can present in a meeting. Yesu otiko uyo. No. Okay, so we start with day number 38 of the 5 Luo words a day. Day number 30. Oh, thank you so very much. Those who have been following us, thank you so very much. Betty Aoko, erokamano. Asante sana. 5 Luo words a day, and we're on day number 36. Adhiambo Omoro, erokamano. So, day number 36, what did we talk about? We talked about alaktar. So, alaktar Adwen Sura kamano. Alaktar is the yellow acacia tree, the red thorn tree. In a sentence you can say, ka iwuotho kod tiendi nono, kudho mar alaktar nyalo hinyo tiendi. Ka iwuotho kod tiendi nono, kudho mar alaktar nyalo hinyo tiendi. Then alarm. Alarm is a worship or a prayer. For example, the Lord's Prayer is Alarm mar Ruodhwa. Alarm mar Ruodhwa is the Lord's Prayer. So then we shall, if you want to tell people to say the Lord's Prayer, you'd say, Wawach uru alarm mar Ruodhwa. Wawach uru alarm mar Ruodhwa. Let's say the Lord's Prayer. Wawach uru alarm mar Ruodhwa. That means let's talk about the Lord's Prayer. Hey, take manada. Alanda. Alanda is broad or wide. If it covers a broad or wide area, then you say alanda. For example, afuoto dongoga alanda elowo. Afuoto dongoga alanda elowo. So watermelons grow broadly on the ground, so they cover a broad area. That's what it means. Itla adikiny erokamano ahinya. Then the next one is alango. Alango. Alango is a green beans. It's a specific type of green beans. Alango, and you say opidho oganda mar alango e puothe mamwalo kacha. Opidho oganda mar alango e puothe mamwalo kacha. Okay. Opidho oganda mar alango e puothe mamwalo kacha. And the last one of that day is ale. Ale. Ale is an arm position so that the arm is bent and the hand is open. Uketo lwete ale, like that. So that is ale. Ale. Then we moved to day number 37. And of course, day number 37, we talked about alemo. And alemo is a type of grass, also sometimes known as olemo. But olemo is also a name for a generic name for fruit is olemo. But alemo is a type of a specific type of grass called alemo. Alemo. Alendu. Alendu is also a type of simsim, or a specific type of simsim, that is alendu. Alendu. Type of simsim. Alendu. Okay. Then the third one is alendu as a species of grass. Alendu is a species of grass, so you can say Loom mar alendu ok tuoga mayot ndalo oro. Loom mar alendu ok tuoga mayot ndalo oro. Now this brings me to some question. You know, there's a place called Alendu, and it has some specific type of grass. I don't know whether the name of the place is because of the grass, or it just happens that they have that grass in that place. Maybe someone who knows about this can one day chip in. If you're watching this video later, you can tell us about Alendu and how it came to be known as Alendu, because sometimes places get to be known because of what they have. Alendu, next to, when you're going to Kisumu, there's Alendu, and then it has a lot of swampy, it's a swampy place with tall grass. Then Ali. Ali is a species of a thorn bush. Ali biro gwari, Ali biro gwari ka idonjo e bungu gi onyasa. Ali biro gwari ka idonjo e bungu gi onyasa. So you'll get a lot of scratches on your skin if you go to your if you get into a bush with short pants. Ali. Aliech. Aliech is a good name given to a cow. This is a special type of cow because it's a cow that has been paid as bride price. But it's just given when the marriage is successful and there's a child in the marriage. So when you when you marry somebody and there's a child in the marriage and then you decide to give bride price again, you know, like in the Luo system, we can give bride price a million times. So when you're going to give bride price like a fourth time, a fifth time, and there's a child in the marriage, then that cow is called a liech. That cow that you're giving is called a liech. Dhiang manyinge a liech ni ne onyuomgo Atieno. So Atieno was bride price was paid for this cow. It's called a liech. That means that their marriage was successful and they've born a child. Boom. Then I move on to day number 38. I will only go up to day number 40 and then we shall stop at that. And in day number 38 we shall look at Aliech, Alika, Alia, Alo, Aloda. So what is Aliech? I've just talked about Aliech. Dhiang manyinge Aliech ni ne onyuomgo Atieno. That means that Atieno's marriage is successful and they have born a child, and the husband decided to give us some more bride price. Then Alika is a species of tasty wild greens. Alika. Alika is a species of a tasty wild greens. So what we used to do is we just went to the forest or the bushes and pick it and eat it. Then there is Alia. Alia is dried meat. There are two types of Alia. There's one that is sun-dried. Then there's also one that is done by open fire. So the one that is sun-dried is the most common, and we call it Alia. Alia. Min Salim ne otedonwa Alia chieng nyuol Yesu. Min Salim ne otedonwa Alia chieng nyuol Yesu. So Salim's mom made a meal of dried meat over Christmas. It's a very special meal, that Christmas meal. Then Alo or Elo. Elo is a variation of Alo. Elo. Alo. In fact, that is the correct way. You say Alo or Elo. Alo. Elo. Adhi elo wi dapi mondo ang'i ka pi oserumo. So elo or alo means to open to check progress. Like if you have if you had a lid on this pot, then if you open and then you close it down, then that means you elo or alo. Then there is aloda. Aloda is parched. It's parched like this soil here. Aloda. Then the last one we're going to talk about is alongo, alot, alucha, aluf, aluga. Alongo is a brass or iron necklace like the one shown on the picture. Atieno orwako alongo engute. So Atieno is adorning a brass necklace on her neck. Of course on the neck. Atieno is adorning a brass necklace. Alongo. Atieno orwako alongo e ng'ute. Then there is a lot, and a lot is green vegetables is a lot. In plural is alote or alode, depending on where you come from. Alode or alote. Alode or alote. Thank you for those who are sending messages and the DMs. Then there is alucha. Alucha. Alucha is stiltily. Alucha. Owino wuotho alucha. Chal ni wiye kuot gi tim ma otimono. Owino wuotho alucha. Chal ni wiye kuot gi tim ma otimono. That is alucha. Stiltily. Then there is aloof. Aloof is and now we also don't talk about, most of the time we don't talk about Ghana. It is getting lost, but the correct way is to say Ghana. Aloof means aloof masani ok nyal nyiew chiemo ma yiengo dhano adek. 1,000 is aloof, and it takes its name from Swahili. Swahili says elfu. So elfu and aloof, same thing, same what's up. Ghana is the correct way. So aloof masani ok nyal nyiew chiemo ma yiengo dhano adek. Also, you can look at our counting video, because I think we counted through to 1,000, and we talked about Ghana achiel as 1,000, Ghana ariyo as 2,000, Ghana adek as 3,000. Okay, aloof is 1,000. Then aluga. Aluga is prostitution, also known as chode. Chode. Timbe mag aluga nyalo weyi gi tuoche ma ok change. Timbe mag aluga nyalo weyi kod, onego bed nyalo weyi kod tuoche ma ok change. And the last word of the day is alum, alungwich, and alony. Alum, alungwich, and alony. So what is alum? Alum, first of all, is a type of snake, green poisonous snake. I don't know whether this is a poisonous snake because I just took the picture from the internet, but alum is a green poisonous snake. I'm told there's a way you can detect that a snake is poisonous or not. Thuol mar alum ka okai to ka ionge kar thieth machiegni inyalo tho. I'll take that again. Thuol mar alum ka okai to ka ionge kar thieth machiegni inyalo tho. So if you may die from this is F. A snake bite. This is missing a lot of things. Our editor is failing. Then alum is also a species of locusts. It is a greenish species of locust, not this one that is on the picture. And you can say jomoko chamoga dede mag alum. Some people, some communities eat or say that the alum locust is edible. They eat the alum locust. So alum is also an edible locust. And alum is something that is grassy. Grassland. Alum or olum. Rao ohero dak kama alum. Rao ohero dak kama alum. Alum is a grassy place or grassland area. Alum. And then we look at A lung which is a somersault. Remember, which is head. A lung means like to turn your head. So a lung which becomes somersault. If you perform a somersault, you are doing something called a lung which. And the last word of the day is alone. Alone is scab or mangi. I don't know how to say it in English. Scab, it affects goats, sheep, and dogs. What it does is the skin peels off, or not this, the fur, not the skin, the fur peels off. Luny means the fur is missing some parts of it. Okay, that's where luny comes from. And that brings us to the end of today's session. If you enjoyed the stream, please share it with your friend. And I would like to thank the supporters of the channel, especially those who've been very, very keen on supporting our work all over since we started. Some people have been with us since we started, so please receive our thank you so much. Thank you for supporting the channel, especially let me just pull up my supporters list. Let me just pull up our supporters list, because it's very important that we appreciate those who've been supporting us. If you want to support us too, please feel free to support us. We shall be sending because some people have requested that we send our M-Pesa number. We shall be pasting it in our future videos. If you want to support us through you don't have to support us, but if you want to, the best way to support us is, first of all, is to help us reach many people. That is the best way to support us. That is the best way to support us. Help us reach as many people as possible. The second way to support us is, if you want to be a member, then you can always join. Just click on the join button. That will be a very great way to support us. Then the third way to support us is just to share our videos. So let me just bring out the support options. Give me a minute. It's very difficult to get these things, when you want them. So if you go to the internet, you'll see a join button here. That's one of the ways to support us. If you want to support us, click on this join button. Then it will ask you, how do you want to support? You can support us by giving $1.99. That's $2 a month, about 200 bob, or 500 bob a month, or 1,000 bob a month. Now you can do this for 1 month. You can do this for 10 months. You can do this for 3 months. It doesn't matter. You can cancel anytime. And then we are not going to update it because we are not changing the amounts. It is a recurring payment, but you can cancel anytime that you wish. So the bronze support is $199, the silver is $499, and the gold is $999. That is one of the ways to support. Now, Grace Report, this channel here, this channel has been our greatest supporter ever. Please, this is a shout out to Grace Report. She's been doing a good job. You can go watch her videos, and she's been doing a great job. Please go watch her videos. She's an amazing person. Thank you so very much, Grace Report, for always supporting the Luo English Dictionary channel. And we thank you so much for just bringing us a lot of content, feedback, helping us out with all that. So this is one of the ways that you can support us, by just sharing the videos from one of our supporters. And that is it for the day. And if we want to stop here, and I'll see you next week, same time. If you have a special request for the songs for my funny singers up here, please let us know on the comment section, and then we shall include it in next week's broadcast. Otherwise, Oritu, God bless you so very much.